Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on backup and here tap on turn on. We will basically have to add our Google account to this device, so let's tap on next. And if you've got your Google account already added, you will be able to choose it from the list here. If not, just tap on add account and go through the whole process. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. Be patient because, as you can see, it might take a while. And here in this step we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, we've got it, so let's tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here let's simply choose the account we just added, and as you can see now we can decide what kind of data we'd like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's completely up to you, and I think I will pick other device data, so mark it and then confirm. As you can see, we've got everything marked in green, also with other device data, which means that our device will back up the data. We do not have photos and videos, but it is because of my choice. You can simply choose photos and videos too. After tapping on other device data, you can check the details of your account. So for example, how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now here, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.